In a seismic shift, Goldman Sachs and Wales plans to acquire the entire supply of 21 million Bitcoin. Fueled by renewed client interest and the green light for Bitcoin ETFs, the banking giant signals a historic leap into the crypto realm. Stay tuned as the financial landscape braces for a groundbreaking transformation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with, it's been 26 days since Bitcoin got above the weekly range high and it's holding it up as a support pretty strongly since. The rally will continue with you or without you. Also, big profits taken in Bitcoin. Massive chunk, 2 million Bitcoin bought above 61,200 recently on the move. Sellers locking in gains as the SOPR metric hit 2021 bull market highs. This suggests a major surge in spot market profit taking. Are we witnessing a correction or a buying opportunity? Bitcoin bull run is on. Bitcoin is breaking free from the last roadblock. A monthly candle close above it would be extremely bullish. Fact: if you're a gold bug, you love Bitcoin, and if you are a gold bug that is anti-Bitcoin, then you just haven't understood Bitcoin yet. Do the work. Read a book or listen to an expert lecture. Then if you really love your family, learn more and study Bitcoin. Look into the code, ask more questions, surround yourself with the maximalists. Also, many are tragically failing to recognize that the current parabolic surge is not the dawn of a fresh cycle, but rather the culmination of a 15-year-old journey. Someone just bought $1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin at 70,000, and another nation stayed buying. What do you think about this one? So-called experts, according to the public broadcaster in Germany, claim that the upcoming Bitcoin halving will instantly halve the price of the Bitcoin and thus soon provide a more favorable entry opportunity for speculators. Wow, it's not even a joke. I don't know whether to cry or laugh. German experts have not only become incredibly communist in recent years, they are also incredibly stupid. One is probably the consequence of the other. The next one, there's no one more influential in the world of traditional finance than BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. When Larry starts a discussion, everyone listens, and Larry started talking about Bitcoin 1 year ago. Bitcoin is up 150% in the last year. Are you paying attention now? Bitcoin is at 70,000 and we're still incredibly early, as here we could see the $1.3 trillion of Bitcoin's market cap is really low compared to 12 trillion of gold, $30 trillion of base money, $108 trillion of equities, $303 trillion of debt, and $326 trillion of real estate, and asset classes by market capitalization. That's what we have over here. Let's go for the next one, is basically today's news. Goldman Sachs sees the surge in crypto interest following the spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Goldman Sachs has seen a significant resurgence in clients' interest in cryptocurrencies this year, largely fueled by the US approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. According to Max Minton, the head of digital assets for Goldman Asia Pacific, a notable shift has occurred among the firm's clientele, ranging from renewed activity to explorations into the crypto space. This shift was detailed in a Bloomberg report dated March 24th, highlighting the influence of the recent approval of a 10 Bitcoin ETFs in January on the traditional market's embrace of cryptocurrencies. Minton arbiters this revived enthusiasm directly to the ETF approvals, stating the recent ETF approval has triggered a resurgence of interest and activities from our clients. He observed that the primary interest comes from existing Goldman clients, particularly through options and futures in the crypto domain, with hedge funds being the most engaged segment. Despite not offering spot crypto products and focusing on crypto derivatives like Bitcoin and Ether options and futures since launching its first crypto trading desk in 2021, Goldman Sachs reported a record $2.8 trillion in assets under the management by the end of 2023. Minton noted a quiet previous year, but mentioned an uptick in clients' interest and activities, including aboard and transactions from the beginning of the year. Clients of Goldman Sachs are leveraging derivatives to tap into the volatility of the cryptocurrency market and to speculate on future price movements. Bitcoin-related derivatives have emerged as particularly popular among the firm's active investors, as furthermore, Minton speculated on the potential impact that approval of the spot Ether ETF in the US could have potentially drawing institutional clients towards Ether, and although Bloomberg ETF analysts currently estimate only a 35% chance of such an approval by May, despite regulatory challenges, Minton emphasized that Goldman's intention to broaden its client base to include asset management funds, banks, and specialized crypto assets firms, signaling a strategic expansion in the cryptocurrency market irrespective of immediate ETF developments. Also, BlackRock CEO shocked by explosive growth of Bitcoin ETF amidst the overseen $10 trillion. Larry Fink has expressed a surge at a remarkable surge in Bitcoin spot ETFs, as BlackRock ETF attracted a $10 billion within the initial weeks and now boasts $17 billion in assets. The figure places IBIT in close competition with the Grayscale's GBTC, which currently holds $23 billion in assets. In a recent interview on Fox Business, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink expressed astonishment at the remarkable surge in Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds, particularly those managed by his firm. With BlackRock overseeing $10 trillion, Fink's admission of surprise underscores the unprecedented feat of Bitcoin's ascent in a US crypto ETF market. I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin, and Fink declared, acknowledging the cryptocurrency's recent milestone of hitting a record-breaking high of 72,850. Reflecting on the market's rapid growth, he remarked, "That surprised me how much that's gone up. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I would never have predicted it before we filed it." BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF trading as IBIT attracted a staggering $10 billion in initial weeks and now boasts for $17 billion in assets already. Bitcoin's golden cross, Bitcoin price all set to hit $97,000 soon. So, the recent fluctuations in the trade price of Bitcoin have sparked intense speculation and analysis within the cryptocurrency community, with the Bitcoin currently trading at 70,660, dropped down below 70,000 at the moment I'm recording, representing a 5% increase over the last 24 hours, and analysts and traders closely monitor its movement for potential signals of future trends. So, the titan of crypto, well-established figure in the crypto analysis realm, recently took to X to share profound insights into Bitcoin's potential trajectory, hinting that $97,000 might be the next milestone, even though there was a death cross on the daily time frame recently, as the expert thinks that a bull flag pattern is emerging, a sign of an upward trend. But investors should be careful while they wait for proof in the next few days that the death cross is real or fake. Speculating on next move, the Titan suggests that a weekly candle closure above the critical 70k support could pave the way for the ambitious target of 97,000. This prediction stands out because of the apparent extremely bullish momentum in the market. The analyst ventures further stating that given the current robust momentum, there's a noteworthy possibility that the projected $97,000 target might be attained even before the halving. That's all the information we got on today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.